Hi there, coffee lovers. This is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. And today, in front of us, we have a fairly new item from Growler Werks, based in Portland, Oregon. It is a home system for Nitro Cold Brew. And we're super excited to be going over this product to make Nitro Cold Brew at home for the holidays. Because right now it is December of 2019. We just received our sample model and we do have a shipment on its way in, and we feel that this is going to be a phenomenal product to use at your home. Let's get started. So we have our packaging here that the Growler Werks Nitro Brew coffee maker comes in, and in here we have quick instructions, and we have this a funnel. We have our nitro chargers. And in here, it's a 5-pack that's currently included. And we have a tool that they include, some cardboard packaging, as well as a bag, drip tray, coffee filters, and additional packaging. And the Nitro Cold Brew coffee brewer we have in this nice chromed finish here. So before we get started on using the Growler, the Ukeg Nitro coffee brewer, we're just going to go over a couple safety things here. Number one, no liquids hotter than 120 degrees Fahrenheit can be inserted into here. That's the first thing. Number two, you don't want to open the sleeve when the cartridge contains pressure, so you don't want to do that. And then also here, you don't want to turn off the pressure while it's inserted here. That's not going to save you any gas from the cartridge. As far as cleaning, no abrasives or metal polish on anywhere on the unit. And nothing is dishwasher safe. So everything does need to be hand wash. Nothing is dishwasher safe. So let's get started to the next step. So the first step is to make sure the pour level is in the lock position, which is towards the back. Take out the top cover. Again, make sure it's in the off position. We'll grab one of the nitro cartridges, insert, and then we're going to tighten it . And you don't want to over tighten it because you may break the plastic here. Another quick item to go over is the dials in the off position. Do not open it to the infuse or the pour. So you would turn the dial all the way around, or don't turn it while it's outside of the keg. But once you want to start infusing, and with the coffee in here, you would go to infuse, and then you would get into the pour position for pouring. So for cold brew, you really need a nice coarse grind. I also like to use a hand grinder. It does require a lot more work, but we do sell hand grinders at firstline.com, and we're using our first cup freshly roasted coffee. And what I like to do is pour some in here. We're going to need about 60 grams of a coarse grind. And as you can see here, it is pretty coarse, but if you like to go coarser, you can. Once you have your 60 grams, or about a 3/4 cup, you're going to use the coffee filter. And basically, this is a 10-pack. And you would use the funnel and put about 60 grams of coffee into the funnel into the filter. So we ground about 120 grams of coarsely ground coffee, 60 grams in each bag. What you want to do is basically pull on the strings to tie or make a knot at the top of each bag. And then these bags will be inserted into the Ukeg. And basically we're going to add about 1.25 liters of water into or in through the top. We'll put the cap back on, keep the strings out would be my suggestion, and then loosely put the cover on. After 12 to 24 hours, take the cover off and then pull out the two filter packs. And then you're going to add to the next fill line, you're going to add water. So we have our cold brew coffee on the inside. Going to insert our cap. Fairly tight, but don't over tighten. Make sure the knob is in the closed position. And from the off here, we're going to turn the dial. And we can actually hear it infuse, and we're going to go the dial all the way to the other side to the infuse portion. And then what we need to do is we actually need to shake for 1 minute the Nitro coffee brewer. So after shaking for about a minute, we'll get the drip tray here. We'll turn the dial on top to now pour, and we'll take it out of the lock position. And we have our Nitro Cold Brew coffee. Absolutely delicious, absolutely delicious. As much as we really love the Nitro Cold Brew coffee maker from Growler Werks, one of the downsides that we find is when you're letting the Ukeg here sit in your refrigerator for 12 to 24 hours, you can't use it because the cold brew is not ready. So what is the alternative? The other alternative is the Hario Cold Brew coffee jug, where you can brew for 12 to 24 hours using a stainless steel filter as well. And while the jug is sitting in your refrigerator, you can still use the Growler Werks Nitro Cold Brew coffee maker, and then after cleaning it, you can just pour it in. So you always have Nitro Cold Brew as opposed to 12 to 24 hours of sit time. So this is a very good addition to the brewer. And as you notice, the stainless steel here, and our refrigerators, which are commercial grade, have a little ice built up in here, so probably running a little too cold. We hope you enjoyed our video today here at First Line Equipment, going over the Growler Werks Nitro Cold Brew coffee maker. As you can see, this is a phenomenal product to use at home. So we hope you purchase one off of our website, and if you can, please give us a thumbs up, and also any questions or comments down below, and visit us on our website to purchase this product, because we know that this will be a fantastic Nitro Cold Brew coffee maker for your home. Have a great day. Thank you.